When you believe in yourself, work hard, and keep pushing forward, dreams come true and have the power to transform your life. With persistence, commitment, and faith, you can do anything. With a suitcase full of hope, I came to America with the desire to build a better life for myself and my family. I worked hard to get ahead and worked several jobs until I found my true calling in the cleaning industry. My path will lead me to start a business that made a positive impact on the environment and the community. My story began when my tia Marisela, a hard-working housekeeper, found herself without a job. She was working for a cleaning company that paid her less than minimum wage and demanded long hours. I knew I had to do something to help. I started looking for new clients for her to clean for, but my passion and drive led me to create something much bigger than just a few cleaning jobs. I am Claudia Meneses. I am from El Salvador. I am a Latina entrepreneur, and I am the founder and CEO of Avanti Green Eco Cleaning, and this is my story. Avanti Green was founded in 2011 when I decided to start a cleaning business to help my tia get homes and offices to clean. I also started researching the industry in Las Vegas. The map was full of red dots of all the cleaning companies there were. At that moment, I knew our chances to finding new clients were very slim. We wanted to use cleaning products that were safe for people, pets, and the planet. I wanted to make a difference in people's lives by keeping homes and offices free of toxic chemicals and by helping and empowering my team members. I started with nothing but an idea, and without the help of my family, I wouldn't be where I am today. I remember when my abuelitos used to clean a charter school with me. My grandma would wash the towels every day and fold them, while my aunt and cousin would go out to the field. My friend Robert gave me lots of encouragement and helped me design our first logo. My other friends and roommates would go out to help me clean when I was short-staffed. And as the company needed more manpower, my brother and uncle also supported me. Noemi, my longtime friend, had another job at the time. However, as the company kept growing, we needed more help, and she eventually came fully on board. Now, she oversees the daily operations and has become a partner. It hasn't been easy, but nowadays, we are the preferred green cleaning company in Las Vegas, thanks to our amazing team and loyal customers. We have grown from a small family business to having 30 employees. Our company has been built on integrity, honesty, and a commitment to excellence. These values are reflected in the work our company does every day. My story is not just about success and business growth, but also about overcoming challenges, embracing change, and leaving a positive impact on those around me. When I first started my business, I didn't have any experience or connections in the cleaning industry, but I was determined to making it work. So I spent many hours researching, networking, and learning everything I could. This year, I was accepted into the LBAN Stanford Program for Latino Entrepreneurs. It has allowed me to unlock my full potential and strive for excellence. I have had the privilege of connecting with brilliant minds and acquiring valuable knowledge on scaling my business and other tools that will help me. Within my cohort, I have met successful Latina and Latino business owners who have inspired me to continue on this path of excellence. Together, we strive to create opportunities for those around us and make the world a better place than we found it. I am grateful for this opportunity and for those who made it happen.